How to add outline to an image in Adobe Illustrator. To show you this, I've prepared this photo of a cupcake here. And what I want to do is I want to copy and paste it in place, and for that I'm going to select it and press Ctrl C on my keyboard and then Ctrl F. And what that does is it pasted it in place like that. So if I select the top one here, I can go to Edit up here in this menu. From here we go to Edit Colors and Adjust Color Balance. Okay, now we want to go to Grayscale and make sure this is on Convert. Also, you always want to have this preview ticked so you can see what's going on. And now I'm going to slide the slider all the way to the right like this, and make sure under these adjust options that fill and stroke are selected. After that, we just press OK. And now what we want to do is go to Image Trace here on the right, and we're gonna select silhouettes. Don't be worried by this message here, just click on OK. And now we can expand this, and now it's a vector. So what we want to do is give it some stroke. Maybe make it white first, like that, and give it a stroke, something like that. Maybe something that's you can see more easily, something like that. And we're just going to increase the stroke like this. Maybe give it some roundness. We can also make it be on the outside. Okay, once we're done with that, we can just go here up here where it says Object, and we're gonna expand Appearance, and then we're gonna go and expand again. And now we can, here on the right on the Pathfinder, we can press Combine, Compound Shape. And now when you paste this to the back, when we bring it to the back here, you can see it outlines our image. Now we can also select this and make it white, for example, if you want this to be like a sticker. And here you go. That's how you outline an image in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.